Now, Storm Watch 12 weather with Chief Meteorologist Matt Hoffman.
Here's a live look at presumably Gold Beach from the Porthole Cafe. Yeah, it's dark out there, but we are seeing sunset getting a little bit later. We're going to keep seeing those longer days now that we have passed the winter solstice. But we have some very winter-like weather on the way for the weeks ahead. We are going to be getting into a much wetter and colder weather pattern through at least the middle of the month. And the first of several storm systems will start to roll on in for tomorrow, and we will see rain and snow chances continuing over the next 7 days right through the weekend. It's pretty impressive, but we definitely need it. We are behind when it comes to rain and snow. So as far as tonight goes, it's going to stay dry. We have those clearing skies through the last several hours for most of southern Oregon, northern California, and with fairly light winds, I do expect some areas of fog to develop in our inland valleys overnight. Here's a look at current temperatures: 40 in Eagle Point, 43 in Medford, sitting at 48 in Brookings, down in Siskiyou County, down to the 30s, 37 in Montague, as well as Mount Shasta, and east of the Cascades, temperatures are in the 30s, 34 in Christmas Valley, and it's 32 in Klamath Falls, a little bit chilly. Now tomorrow, we are going to see another mild day for inland areas, but we are going to see those temperatures tumbling quick as rain and snow move on in. Rain for the coast, though, tomorrow. Showers will start in the morning, but steadier rain will move in for the afternoon. Highs in the upper 40s to lower 50s. Northern California, look for that rain and mountain snow to work on in, mainly as we head through the afternoon and into the evening. Highs will top out in the 40s for most. We'll see a mild day in the Klamath Basin, but by the time the wet weather arrives for the evening hours, likely going to be falling in the form of some snow showers, but it doesn't look like it's going to add up to all that much for the basin for this first wave of rain and snow. There's another one that's going to follow, though, later as we head into Wednesday on into Wednesday night. The Cascades, snow levels starting off around 5,000 feet as that wet weather moves in late in the day, but then should drop to 3,500 feet as we head through the evening, up to 45 for a high in Prospect, upper 40s in the Rogue Valley, with rain moving on in later in the day. Here's a look at forecast snow totals with this first wave tomorrow through Wednesday morning. About 6 to 8 inches for Crater Lake, Lake of the Woods about 3 to 6. Not going to add up to too much for the Siskiyou Summit or Klamath Falls, trace to an inch. But again, there is another round that's going to work on in later Wednesday into Wednesday night. Here's Stormcast tomorrow morning. Pretty quiet, but then here comes that wet weather through the afternoon on to the evening. Snow in our higher elevations. Those Cascade passes will be pretty snowy right into Wednesday morning, and then on and off rain and snow showers through the day on Wednesday, but then another widespread swath of rain and snow work on in Wednesday night, and snow levels will be lower with that wave of precipitation. Notice those snow levels below the basin and the Siskiyou Summit. So travel through the Cascade Passes, the Siskiyou Summit, and up around Crater Lake will be pretty difficult tomorrow night on into Thursday, rather Wednesday night into Thursday, I should say. For the coast, over the next 7 days, a wide array of rain chances there. Mainly going to be rain for the coast, but higher elevations will definitely see snow, including in Northern California. A better chance at more areas of Northern California seeing some snow accumulations later Wednesday into Wednesday night. The Klamath Basin will see some snow accumulation with this round of wet weather through the middle of the week, but more snow chances in store for the weekend. The Cascades and the Siskiyou is going to see some snowy travel over the next 7 days. This weekend, we'll be adding some gusty winds with that snow as well. Snow levels look rather low with those weekend rain and snow events. And then in the Rogue Valley, mainly going to be rain for us through the middle of the week, but this weekend we're going to have to watch closely as that colder air continues to roll on it.
Big changes heading our way?
Yes, indeed.
Thanks very much.